Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends.
Welcome to Amavenzo TV. Keep Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Durban City 0. I'm joined by Mr. Mtungwa.
Yeah, we talk football.
Let's talk.
Lalela mnganami.
Let's talk.
Ukahle.
Ngiyaphila baba.
Yeah, wayithi bari Modimo uyetsa mihlolo.
Yes.
Nginekusana gane uri nkabona Sithibo afufa. Aya World Cup.
Yeah.
Into exciting yeah.
Lina next one.
Yeah. It's a reason, no.
I'm shocked.
You're shocked.
I'm sure. I still can't believe.
No, congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yes.
You deserve it. Yeah, you made us famous.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're already famous now.
Hey.
Nala isoweto yonke indawo. Sambi.
All the children are mine.
Madoda.
Ngiyadlala.
Yeah, ngiyakuthola.
No, siyabonga ngempela bafowethu ukuthi. Ngicabanga lento. Ngicela ukuthi ungaphalazika lapha endizeni usilokuthi hey driver ngicela ukhothi isondo. Indize ihambe emoyeni.
Uyabona leyo ndaba ngoba ngiyazi.
Uyazi lapha. Ikhona indize eSoweto.
Edleni.
No, ake sibongele
awunenyongo mara. Manuregi. Yeah. Uyangithela ke yonke. Yeah. Aqhubeke.
Unje iqiniso yalikhuluma mina akunandaba negame.
Aqhubeke ngakudisturb.
Yo.
Sure.
Usipho chain mfowethu. Nama clean sheet amangaka u20.
20 yes.
20.
League record.
Yeah, kodwa ke ngenxa yokuthi ke abantu abamnyama sibuye singabongelani thiwa yikho lento kaChain uChain ukuthi ngoba une defense strong khona lapho usibiza kalazi ibhola kodwa uye lo lokuleya defense ophambi kaChain yabona
it doesn't make sense
uChain wenza kahle ukhipha ongashaya kanjalo kusho ukuthi naye wenza kahle uyakwazi ukukhuluma nebackline yakhe ngake ngasho ngangisanda kufika la kuma fans wethu ngangisanda kuqasha mhlawumbe ngangisahole kanye ngathi ulokhuzane uChain uyakwazi ukuhlela ibackline yakhe kufanele simbongele ngalokho futhi uyena umuntu owukapteni lapha kuPirates mina mangibheka ngoba noma uthi uyabheka ku Bucks camp uma behleli lapha yana yakhumbula kudlala neSundowns ethi hayi namhlanje bana kuwani ethi hayi namhlanje
is the league
not today uyabona not lo mfana lo yamuhle kakhulu siyambongela eqhubeke phambili my coach missed it
kuphi baba wami
in the middle of the park especially
ngani baba wami
why did he feel dislepe on the second last game? Why? Such a critical game is still testing. The boy can play football. He played five games and he was in the national team.
Yes.
But this time around, you don't need to test anything. Put Mbatha and Makaula there. Put Nemutanjera there. Yes, but so sometimes the coaches they try to prove a point. That is something that people like. That's why there are so many divorces, because Sithibo's wife is divorced now because his wife wanted to prove that I'm your wife. Instead of just keeping things as they are, work, polish it here and there, send those messages if you can, I love you, but I'm not sure, my baby, something like that. But now, maintain the standard, but the coach is trying to prove a point. I don't know to whom, because we as Orlando Pirates fans, we want to win the league. When he came on, he hasn't done anything new to just to be straight.
Yeah.
When he came on, Pirates was already winning leagues, was already winning cups. The only thing that was eluding Pirates was the league. So he has to deliver the league. That is his main task. He can do that and that, but he needs to deliver. Yes. Congratulations to Sibisi and Siema. Labafana labi awubhodlela badlala kamnandi mfowethu.
Ayivala.
Yeah, sisibagxeka senzani, yabona sibamemeza, sibahwaza, baqhubeka labafana benza kahle sithi abaqhubeke kanjalo. Yeah, Durban City. umdlalo iwuthathe ngalendlela ebekufanele uthathe ngawo.
Which is
How many people come to Orlando Amstel Arena and go home alive or uninjured, unharmed?
very few.
Very few. So how can you come here and play an open game?
You can't.
If a team is sitting at the back, you need to find a way to crack them.
That's true.
So they were uncrackable
Yes.
today. So I can't blame them.
Yeah.
We had no options on the bench. Pirates had no options on the bench. Babengekho abantu abasebenchini. Umuntu ohlasela usebenchini bekumahopa kuphela.
Yeah.
Ama defensive midfielder, ama defender, angazi mhlambe kufanele siyasitolo noma kufanele sibheke lapha ku DDC ukuthi obani abafana singabadlalisa ngoba ngale kwalokho hayi abebengekho abantu ebenchini kodwa umbule Nkosi yami uyafuneka eteamini kodwa mhlawumbe khona into esingayazi akayenza wrong ngeke sazi mhlawumbe akahloniphi mhlawumbe usebuyele etshwaleni mhlawumbe unjani asazi mhlawumbe khona mhlawumbe ucoach akamfuna ngazi yeah the new name for Orlando Pirates is what? Sold Out FC.
The entire season.
No one sells game like Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
But it doesn't just come from the rain. It's the type of football that is being played. It's the work done by the management. It's the work done by the marketing team.
Yes.
If you watch the Orlando Pirates Facebook page,
yes.
It's different from the rest.
It's busy.
Yes, and it's growing. It's
Yes.
busy. And the content that they put there is as good as Amafans Wethu TV content.
Theirs is better.
Or Amawethu Fans TV.
Theirs is better.
But anyway, Amafans Wethu are trendsetters.
Yes.
I saw there was a very big TV station today interviewing people.
Which one?
I think it's E.
Really?
Yeah, if it's not E.
Yeah.
I think it's the fifth alphabet vowel when you say A, E, E. Oh, it's the second.
Yes.
Yeah.
A.
If it's not E, it's A TV. They were here interviewing people like you do. So whatever you're doing, be proud.
Thank you very much.
I love you, but I'm not sure.
Me too.
Yeah.